Greetings from Ruslan Kitchen, and today I'm cooking famous Ukrainian borscht. But it's not just Ukrainian borscht, it's family recipe. The borscht what I learned from my sister when I was 6 years old. It's nutritious and very delicious dish. The ingredients you can see on the screen. We don't need much equipment, just frying pan, pot and knife and cutting boards. So as you see, the water starts to boil and we just put chicken meat inside to make a stock. Just let's leave it for about 45 minutes so it's gonna get flavor of the chicken bones, and afterwards we're gonna proceed with that. Great. So now you can see the chicken stock is boiling and we remove the meat and bones. So now we are putting a little bit salt and all our potato we put inside and leave it for about 15 minutes. Let it boil. So when the onion is getting a little bit goldish, we put in all remaining vegetables, carrot inside, and stir. Смачного! Enjoy your борщ!